A very good morning to students of standard 5th. We have just started our new unit, that is friendship, and in that also we have seen a poem in previous lectures, and we have just gone through our half of the story of a grandpa's chair. Okay, so till now we have completed the story about grandpa's. Okay, in that John was there, her mother and Matt means John's papa, or we can say his father. Okay, and the problem was that they were just cleaning the home and they want to just throw or give the chair to the other person because it was torn, worn and it became old. That's why. So students, this is our story till now, and I think that you have read this story also. You have read this story also and you understood about this story, how the feelings towards the chair. Okay, the connection between the grandfather and grandpa or his chair. Okay, the connection between two them was very tight. We can say it was with the connection between the chair and the grandpa was of a love feeling and as a friend. Okay, we can just see all these things in a story till now, but why the grandpa was not allowing her mother to sell that chair? Okay, standard 5th, subject English, friendship. So now the story is about the connection between our grandpa and its chair. Okay, now I want to tell you that कि हमें भी ऐसा नहीं है कि हमारा फ्रेंड है उसके साथ ही हमारा कनेक्शन बनता है, कोई भी चीज़ भी हो सकती है. अगर मैं एक अच्छा एग्जांपल दूँ तो एक बात हम कह सकते हैं कि हमें कोई ऐसे बच्चे भी होते हैं तो उसे ट्रीज़, ओके, ये सब जो पेड़ हम लगाते हैं तो उसके साथ भी उसका कनेक्शन बहुत होता है. कोई उसे काटे या कोई उसे टच करे तो उसे अच्छा नहीं लगता. सो यू कैन फाइंड द लव और यू कैन फाइंड अ फ्रेंडशिप एट एवरीवेयर. यस और नो स्टूडेंट्स? सो और यू कैन मेक अ फ्रेंड्स not with the human being, also with the animals, birds, trees and each and everything that you are seeing around you. Okay, so whenever the things which are helpful in your life you can just add as a good friend. Yes or no? Now if I give another example, then books. Okay, our English textbook, or you can take the साइंस टेक्स्ट बुक. ओके, नाउ साइंस टेक्स्ट बुक, जो हमारी साइंस टेक्स्ट बुक है तो वो आपको बहुत काम आ सकती है. क्यों? आपने जो अभी पढ़ा है तो वो फ्यूचर में तो कहीं ना कहीं पे आएगा उसके बारे में, तो आपको वो नॉलेज अभी से आपको मिल रहा है. तो आप इस तरह कह सकते हैं कि ये साइंस टेक्स्ट बुक है, वो मेरी अच्छी फ्रेंड है क्योंकि मुझे बहुत उससे हेल्प मिलती है. इसलिए नाउ देयर इज अ थॉट इन इंग्लिश ऑल्सो, द गुड फ्रेंड्स आर, हु आर द गुड फ्रेंड्स? द बुक्स आर द गुड फ्रेंड ऑफ अ ह्यूमन्स. यस और नो? सो यू कैन बिल्ट अप द फ्रेंडशिप बिटवीन यू and any other thing that is present around you. Okay, so this story is also based on that only. We have seen this story. We have seen this story, half of the story is finished and half of the story is remaining. Okay students, whenever you see the video, I have just uploaded the previous video and I have said to you that you should read the story, and I have given the homework of the keywords that is given in the textbook. You should write in the English notebook also. So you will know the words which are not came in past and you feel that these words are new. So you have to write it and you should understand that words, so you will not face difficulty while reading the story. Okay students, we will start the story, the remaining part, that is that grandpa's friend. Okay, part 2 we have started, and in that not part 2 but part 1 we have finished. Now activity number 4 उसमें part 2 हमें दिया है. ओके, एक्टिविटी नंबर 4 में पार्ट 2 हमें दिया है. स्टोरी का दूसरा पार्ट. So let's start the story and understand what was the connection between the grandpa and his chair. Now the grandpa is explaining to John how this chair helped him in his throughout the life. Okay students, so we'll just go through it and we will see what is there in this story. Okay, grandpa's friend 2 means part 2, second story of this, okay, of this unit. Now we'll start. You don't understand John. You don't understand John. Pop shook his head from side to side, and after a long pause he said, I sat in this chair with your grandma right here when I asked her to marry me. Now you don't understand John. This grandpa is telling to the John that you don't understand John. Okay, when grandpa is just requesting him or he is saying that you don't understand John. Now why he is not understanding? Because John is not knowing the story behind the chair and the grandpa. That's why John was allowing her mother to take this chair out of the home and give it to the other person. Yes or no? Yes. Pop shook his head from side to side. So he shook his head. हम भी हमारे हेड शेक करते हैं ना, कोई भी चीज़ हमें हमारी मम्मा या पापा कहते हैं कि ये लेके आओ, ये लेके आओ, तो फिर आपको अगर इफ़ यू आर टायर्ड देन यू आर जस्ट शेकिंग योर हेड. यू आर नॉट स्पीकिंग एनी वर्ड्स बट यू आर शेकिंग योर हेड. नो नो और लाइक दिस. ओके, सो Pop shook his head from side to side. Okay, side to side. And after a long pause, he was shaking his head, but he was not speaking. So there is a pause in conversation. Okay, there is a pause between conversation. Pause. He said, I sat. After some time, he said. Then Grandpa said, what did he say? That I sat in this chair. When did he sat in the chair? When he proposed her John's grandmother to marry her. Now understood? This chair is with me. Grandpa is explaining to the John that this chair is with me from beginning of my life, of my new life. Okay, when I proposed your grandmother for marrying, okay, he sat on this chair and proposed her grandmother, means John's grandmother. So I sat in this chair with your grandma right here when I asked her to marry me. Okay, me and your grandmother sat nearer to each other and I sat on this chair and I proposed for marrying to me. It was so long ago, but when I sit in this chair and close my eyes, I feel she is near. अगर किसी चीज़ से आप जुड़े हुए हैं तो आपको उसकी यादें भी हमेशा अपने साथ ही रहती है. अब कोई भी काम करें, अगर आप बड़े होंगे तब आपको सब कुछ याद आएगा कि मैं स्कूल में क्या करता था, वो क्या करती थी, मैं छोटा था तब मैं कैसी हरकतें करता था, किस तरह मैं पढ़ता था, मैं पढ़ने में ध्यान देता था कि नहीं, मेरे फ्रेंड्स कौन थे, आप सब कुछ रिकॉल करेंगे, आपको याद रहेगा अपने साथ. The memories will be with you because you have some feelings towards this classroom and these standards. okay, with these primary standards or secondary standards, okay students. So this grandfather also had some memories attached towards the chair, and he was just saying to the, or he was just explaining to the John that this chair is most important to me. Now हमें भी पता है कि हमारे कुछ यादें कोई ना कोई चीज़ से जुड़ी होती है। अगर आप अकेले बैठे हैं तो आपको ये सारे थॉट्स आते हैं माइंड में, ओके। तो और कभी कभी आप अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ भी शेयर करते हैं कि वो मेरी पुरानी जो बैग थी, एग्जाम्पल के लिए, जो मेरी पुरानी बैग थी वो बहुत अच्छी थी, मुझे बहुत काम आती थी, वो फट नहीं जाती थी, इस तरह वो टेयर नहीं हो जाती थी, इस तरह मुझे वो चीज़ बहुत याद आती है। तो आपकी फीलिंग्स उस बैग के साथ बहुत अच्छी तरह है और उसकी यादें भी आपके साथ ही है। इसी तरह हमारे जो ग्रैंडपा है यहाँ पे, तो उसकी यादें ये चेयर के साथ जुड़ी हुई है, ओके। नाउ व्हेन आई सीट इन दिस चेयर, I feel that, grandpa is saying that, I feel that your grandmother is sitting near to me. She is alive. But we know that her grandmother is dead before previous years, okay, many previous years. But then also when this grandpa is sitting in this chair, he is feeling that she is nearer to me and sitting with me. So this is the attachment in friendship. So this is the attachment in friendship. Yes or no? Grandpa was very fond of this chair because he had spent many years with the chair and the feelings also by sitting on this chair to the grandmother, क्या उसने अपनी लाइफ की सारी फीलिंग्स इस चेयर के ऊपर बैठ के सारी फीलिंग्स उसके ग्रैंडमदर, जॉन के ग्रैंडमदर है, उसको की है और बताई है, ओके। तो ये सब बातें इस चेयर से जुड़ी हुई है। द ओल्ड मैन पास्ड हिज हैंड जेंटली अलॉन्ग द आर्म ऑफ द चेयर। तो हम चेयर पे जब हम बैठते हैं तो उसके साइड में जो दो आर्म्स होते हैं, आपको पता है ना, जहाँ पे हम अपने हाथ रखते हैं, तो वो हाथ, तो जो जहाँ पे हम हाथ रखते हैं तो वो स्लोली वहाँ क्या करता है, ग्रैंडपा क्या करते हैं, वो रब करते हैं, ओके। नाउ आगे, इट्स अमेजिंग जॉन थॉट, जॉन इज थिंकिंग दैट इट्स अमेजिंग ग्रैंडपा, यू आर रिमेंबरिंग ऑल दिस थिंग्स बिफोर मैनी ईयर्स, द थिंग्स विच हैपेंड टू यू दैट यू आर रिमेंबरिंग नाउ ऑल्सो एंड now also, but I cannot remember the things before few days also. How you can remember all these things? Okay, that we'll see here. It's amazing, John thought, how Pop can remember things from the past. How this grandpa can remember the things from the past, okay, because it passed many years, okay. All this story that grandpa was telling to the John, that time was delayed now, means that time had passed, but he was still remembering. That was very amazing to the John. In the present, he forgot almost everything. In the present, he forgot almost everything. John sat down on the floor by Pop's feet and listened as the old man went on. So now John is telling that I cannot remember the things before a few days or yesterday, and my grandfather or my grandpa is remembering all these things. That is very amazing to me. Yes or no? Yes. Now he was very interested. Whenever your papa or grandmother or grandfather is telling story, at that time you are also very happy. Yes or no? And you are listening very keenly to them. आप उसे अच्छी तरह सुनते हैं, उसकी स्टोरी अच्छी तरह सुनते हैं, है कि नहीं? क्योंकि उसकी स्टोरी में कभी कभी फीलिंग्स भी होती है, एक्शन भी होता है। यस और नो? Whenever a person is telling story with the action and the feelings and attachment towards that story and the attachment towards that story, you will like to listen it very carefully. Yes or no, students? So we always like to listen the story from our grandfather or grandmother. John sat down on the floor by Pop's feet and listened as the old man went on. Now, John was very interested in his story, means in his life story, grandfather's story, okay, his life story, and he sat down near his feet and started listening to the story of grandfather's life, okay. Now, and the night, now grandfather is telling the story of his life. He is moving forward in his story and he is saying, and the night your father was born, I sat in this chair. Now, पहले ग्रैंडफादर कब बैठे थे? तो क्या उसने बताया कि मैं यहाँ पे इस चेयर पे तब से बैठा हूँ जब से मैंने आपके ग्रैंडमदर है उसको मैरी करने के लिए बोला था, तब से मैं यहाँ पे बैठा हूँ। इस फीलिंग भी इस चेयर से जुड़ी हुई है। और दूसरा, जब आपके जो जॉन के पापा है वो बोर्न हुए तब मैं इस चेयर पे बैठा था। आई वॉज नर्वस। नर्वस का मतलब क्या होता है? वरीड। क्या है नर्वस का मतलब? ओके, नर्वस का मतलब क्या है? वरीड। नर्वस का मतलब क्या होता है? वरीड। जब हमारी एग्जाम आते हैं तब हम नर्वस हो जाते हैं कि नहीं? यस, वी आर फीलिंग नर्वस बिकॉज वी आर वरीड अबाउट आवर टेस्ट. So this is also nervous, and grandfather was also nervous when John's papa was born at that time. I was scared. Scared का मतलब fear. Okay, I was scared when they placed the tiny baby into my arms. कि I was scared कि मैं fear हो गया. I was fear when grandmother, John's grandmother, put that small baby in his arms. Who was that small baby? That small baby was John's father, means Matt. Okay. Yet I was never happier. I was never happier. A smile suddenly lit his old face. Now, every parents are very happy when their babies are born. Okay. So this grandfather was also happy, and he lifted up his face while telling this story and had a small smile on his face. I think I am beginning to understand, John said thoughtfully. Now John is telling in his mind that now I am trying to understand. Now I am getting all this point. Why grandfather is much attached towards this chair. Many years later, Pop's voice broke and he paused a moment before he continued. कि कुछ वर्षों या कुछ ईयर के बाद अभी जो ग्रैंडफादर है वो वो जॉन को सब कुछ बता रहे थे, तब उसके आवाज़ किस तरह हो गई? इट ब्रोक इनटू द टीयर्स. ओके, जब हमें रोना आता है तब हमारा वॉइस किस तरह हो जाता है? वो ब्रोक हो जाता है. हम कोई भी वर्ड बोलते हैं तो वो वी आर ब्रेकिंग दैट वर्ड एंड वी आर स्पीकिंग. यस हो ना? वाइल क्राइंग. इस तरह होता है कि नहीं? यस, इस तरह होता है. क्योंकि आप भी अगर कुछ मिसचिवियस करते हैं घर पे या पापा आपको डांटते हैं तब आप रोने लगते हैं. फिर क्या होता है? फिर आप जब बोलते हैं ना तो उसमें ब्रेक लगती है बीच बीच में. आप कोई भी पूरा वर्ड अच्छी तरह बोल नहीं सकते. तो इसी तरह यहाँ पे पॉप का भी वॉइस ब्रोक हो गया. मीन्स ही वॉज सैडन एंड ही पोज्ड अ मोमेंट बिफोर ही कंटिन्यू. सो ही वॉज फीलिंग वेरी सैड एंड ही वॉज हिज वॉइस वॉज स्टार्टेड टू ब्रेक. सो ही पोज्ड मीन्स ही जस्ट स्टॉप स्पीकिंग फॉर अ while. Okay, for a minute or for a few minutes. I sat in this chair when the doctor called and told me that your grandma was ill. Now he continued again. Okay, what grandfather is telling that आई सेट ऑन दिस चेयर, कि मैं इस कुर्सी पे बैठा था जब डॉक्टर ने जॉन की ग्रैंड माँ को देखा, एंड व्हेन शी वॉज वेरी इल एट दैट टाइम ऑल्सो आई वॉज सिटिंग ऑन दिस चेयर, सो दैट फीलिंग इज ऑल्सो अटैच्ड टूवर्ड्स दिस चेयर. I was lost without her, but the chair gave me comfort and warmth. कि जब जॉन की ग्रैंड मदर डेड हो गई, फिर एनी पर्सन, अगर मैं कहूँ कि आपके घर में या मेरे घर में या कोई किसी और के घर में से कोई भी आदमी चला जाता है तो हम ब्रोक हो जाते हैं, हमें सैड फील होता है, ये सब कुछ होता है. पर हमारा कोई ना कोई साथी हमारा होता है जो हमें फिर से बिल्टअप करता है, एंड दे स्टे टूवर्ड्स अस और स्टे विथ अस टू मोटिवेट अस. ओके, एंड while in that time grandfather had no anyone, and this chair was motivating the grandfather, okay, grandpa, John's grandpa, and he was enjoying that moment with the chair, because chair was with him and he was attached towards that chair. That's why. Now grows warmth. The old man's sadness seemed to grow as he recalled that unfortunate day. जो वो दिन था जब जॉन की ग्रैंड माँ गुजर गए, जो वो दिन था, वो दिन याद करके फिर से ग्रैंडफादर क्या हुए, वो सैड हो गए, आंसू बहने लगे. ही वॉज फीलिंग वेरी सैड, ही वॉज रिमेंबरिंग दैट ओल्डन डेज, हिज golden days, his olden and golden days, and he was crying and he was sad by remembering all these things. And the day when the grandmother was dead, by remembering that day, he was very sad because he lost his life partner at that day. Now, I am sorry, Pop. Now, John is telling that I am sorry. Okay, John looked at his grandfather and said, I do see now, this is not just any old chair, this chair is more like your friend. Now John is understanding and he is looking towards his grandfather's face and he is saying, now I can understand. This is not an old chair that we are considering. Me and my mother is considering as an old chair, but it is more than the old chair, that is your best friend. So now John also understood this chair is not only the old chair, but this chair is the best friend of his grandpa. Yes, we have gone through a lot together, Pop said. हाँ, हमने एक साथ बहुत टाइम बिता है, मैं और दिस चेयर है, हमने एक साथ बहुत टाइम बिताया है हमारी लाइफ में, इसलिए मुझे इससे एक अच्छी कनेक्शन है, फ्रेंडशिप है हमारे दोनों के बीच में. नाउ दैट नाइट, however, when John and Pop were asleep, John's mom and dad carried the chair out to the footpath. Now, when they were talking, all this talk was finished. After telling the past or the past period of the grandfather's life, okay, this discussion was finished and they went to asleep, but they were asleep, okay, and at that time John's mother and father took that chair and they put out of the house on the path. Okay, now it was a starless night. What do you mean by a starless night? Means it was a dark night, you cannot find any star in the sky. Okay, so it is known as a starless night. Though the spring had set in means though the spring had arrived, snow fell silently from the back. Snow also fell silently, means little snow was flowing, okay, silently. It was not a storm, okay, from the black sky, and covered Pop's chair with a blanket of white. So when the snow was falling at that time, the chair was out of the home or a house on the footpath. Okay, and the snow started to fall from the dark sky and he covered the chair with the snow. Okay, so it became white, blanket of white. The next morning when John came downstairs, these both people were sleeping. Now on early morning he woke up, and when he came downstairs, okay, Pop stood by the window and looked outside. Pop was just hanging near the window and he was looking towards his chair. Okay, his friend, or we can say his chair, window, and looked outside. A tear rolled down his hollow cheek and tears were flowing from his eyes. Hollow cheek means जो बूढ़े आदमी होते हैं, ग्रैंडफादर एंड ग्रैंडमदर, एंड दे आर हैविंग द होलो चिक, उसके जो चिक्स है वो अंदर चले जाते हैं, तो वहाँ पे क्या हो जाता है, होलो चिक हो जाते हैं. ओके, सो द ही इज एक्सप्लेनिंग, our storyteller is explaining where the tears fell on the cheek. Okay, now John followed the old man's gaze and froze. Okay, he followed the old man's gaze, means old man gaze में fixed look. Okay, fixed look, gaze का मतलब क्या होता है, fixed look. Now from this we can say that where was the eyes of the grandpa from the window, we can say his eyes, or he was seeing the chair, his eyes was on that chair. So John followed the fixed look of the grandpa and he started running towards them. Okay, towards it where the grandpa was looking. Okay, students, snow covered the chair stood on the footpath out of the house. Now snow covered the chair that at night we have seen. Okay, and John, the chair stood on the footpath out of the. Now we know that her mother, means his mother, John's mother and father put that chair out of the house on the footpath and it was covered by the snow. It shocked John. कि ये सब कुछ देखने के बाद जॉन शॉक्ड हो गया. ही वॉज अमेज्ड. ओके, ही रैन आउटसाइड, वेट, डोंट टेक द चेयर. सो जॉन इज रनिंग वेरी फास्ट टूवर्ड्स दैट चेयर. ओके, एंड ही सेड, वेट, डोंट टेक दैट चेयर. He shouted, waving both arms in the air as he rushed to stop the man from taking chair away. So he rushed towards, means he ran very fast towards that chair, because that man who came to take that old chair, he was taking the chair. So this John rushed towards that chair waving with his hands that don't take the chair, don't take the chair. He was shouting like that and he ran towards that man to stop him by taking this chair. Then he ran back inside and faced his mom. So he ran back inside the home and he faced, means he just faced his mom and said, means he just stood in front of her mom and said something that we will see here. Faced his mom. Look at Pop. Mom, what did he said then? He said to her mom that, look at Pop. Mom, you can't throw out his chair. You cannot throw his chair out like this. This is not just a chair. कि ये सिर्फ चेयर या कुर्सी नहीं है, ये ग्रैंडपा का फ्रेंड है जो पूरी लाइफ उसके साथ बिताया है, उसके साथ रहा है, उसकी सारी फीलिंग्स उसके साथ चेयर के साथ क्या है, जुड़ी हुई है. ये तो सिर्फ चेयर नहीं है. इस तरह वो एक्सप्लेन करता है अपना मम्मा को. कौन? जॉन. दिस चेयर हैज़ बीन विद पॉप फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. दिस चेयर इज लाइक अ फ्रेंड. सो दिस चेयर इज लाइक अ फ्रेंड टू द grandpa. So this was the story, second part This was the story of a second part, and now still it is remaining that we will do in the next lecture. Okay, then we will discuss some of the activities that is given in the textbook. Okay, and one of the poem is also given in the textbook, and after that we will finish this chapter. Okay students, thank you and have a good day, and stay safe and stay healthy at your homes. Okay students, so this was our story. Whenever you see this video, you have to read this story from your textbooks also. Thank you students and have a good day.